And I'm back, so i-share ko today of my favorite winter collections fur jacket. Okay, this is the one of my fur jacket, everyone, and I really love this fur jacket. Actually, this is the one of my favorite fur jacket for winter season. It's very warm, it's very nice color. I love the color in this one. So this is my fur jacket favorite collections. Okay, so next, I like this fur jacket, and this is from Tralalala. I love this jacket in a leopard pink color. So I'm using also this one on winter season, and I love the details in this jacket dahil have a very cute buttons, heart buttons in this jacket, and it's so very warm for winter season, and I love this jacket, everyone. And also I love this jacket. This is also my favorite one jacket along from Genesis brand, everyone. It's a local brand here in Japan. And I love this fur jacket. It's so very soft. Mahaba siya. Talagang perfect for winter season talaga. It's so very warm to wear this one. It's so very soft. I love this one, everyone. So this is my favorite fur jacket of all time. That I really keep this jacket because I really love this jacket. Okay? So even if I'm wearing mini or talagang naka jeans ako or naka long ako outfit, I really love this one because this is a long jacket and it's very warm. So I love this one. And I love this blue jacket, everyone, because I buy this at Mosi. And it's so perfect for winter, lalo na if I'm wearing some jeans or I'm wearing a skinny, because ang size niya nito, everyone, is bandang hip high yung size nito. Ang ganda. So if I wear this one, makikita yung puwet ko, and then I think it's perfect. And I love the details in this blue one. I love this blue color in this jacket, everyone, and it's so very warm for winter also. And I love this jacket, and this is the one of my collective jacket also na I love to wear for my winter season. Okay, and of course this red one, I love this red one, everyone. Parang perfect for my holiday season, and this is a very cute design. Talagang it's really cover me, and it's so very warm in this color. Talagang I really keep this jacket, everyone. I love this fur jacket also, and it's so cute. The designs in this one, it's so cute, and I love this jacket also for this winter. This is the one also of my favorite that I keep this jacket, everyone. I really love this one. And also wala lang, I think this is perfect for autumn, and this is the white one, and this is from Spiga. And also, I found this at GRL. Parang nakita ko lang na I think it's so partner silang dalawa. I think it's so cute for autumn and winter fashion style. And I think the white one is so very cute and unique also. So I buy this one, and I think it's cute for attending party, or I think it's so cute, this one. Lalo na if you're on clubbing or whatever. So I think you're wearing this far high heel sandal, I think it's so cute, and with your very sexy outfit or casual outfit. But actually I wear this one on my casual outfit, and wearing this high heel, and I'm wearing this white jacket, and soon makikita nyo I'm wearing this one. I think it's so cute this coming winter season. I love that one. And also I collect these boots from Forever 21 because this is the one of my favorite boots. And also I like these boots also, this booty, and I like the shawl in these boots dahil perfect for winter. And also I love the nude color one, perfect for all occasions. I love this one and this style. And also I have a one nude color for attending party or special occasions. I think I need this one also. And this is the one of my favorite one. And also I love also the leather jacket. I have the black and nude color.